Okay, so here is the video. The end file is your configuration. This is a Python script, so you need Python. Just install Python. You can use a virtual environment if you want. But when you install Python, you also need to install the requirement. You can use pip install r requirements.txt, and it's going to install everything. Actually, this is not needed because it's already installed by default. Okay, so you can edit your stuff here. There is the private key, which I'm hiding. I'm just gonna start the script. I made you a simple interface. I got some network already hard-coded. This is the default. This is what I was using. This is the default USDT. This is a working node. You need to use non-MEV non-MEV nodes. Let me just check. Node. Tree. Just find it. There is a website that lists all the nodes. Should be around there. This. Yeah, so MEV protection, you don't want that because the MEV protection will will prevent the data to be shown, if I can say that. I'll add the link here. That's good. Oops. Yeah. Okay. So there is a README that's gonna tell you how to configure everything, but by default, what you see here is working. Put your private key here. I'm just gonna change this to 123456000. Save setting, and you can see that 123456 was changed here. So you don't need to manually change it. Just 7. Save. You can see it change here. Okay. Recording. I'm gonna record my phone too on another. So you can see the transfer, the notification happen. Of course, you need a bit of funds. It costs about $80 per transfer to do it. So let's try it. Destination address. Just get the proper destination address. Jeez. Okay. Then we're gonna send this, send transfer. You can see the hash here. And you can see the hash here. recording on my phone too. You can go in the Explorer. You can see the transaction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What I want to show you too. Continuous. Okay, let's go. Yeah, just got the notification 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. So yeah, that's it. And with these settings, I know it take about 20 minutes. Um, Look, you're free to test things. Um, what you could consider playing with, like you can lower this, but I don't. This is like the minimum settings. I think you should keep this.